uploading for a long time. I'm really sorry, but for today I found something really interesting. Today we're going to be making our own trailer. So follow along, get a scratch window, and do it along with me. So for this, I want to choose some backgrounds. So you click on the background button here, choose a backdrop. So my first one, I want to do, let's go down, soccer 2, that one looks good. Let's go back here, and my next one would be basketball 1, and my last one would be baseball. So let's go to backdrops and delete the first one. So got soccer, basketball, and baseball. For each one we would want a sprite, so let's go here. Let's go to choose a sprite. So for this we'd go to people. You can do whatever you want. I'm gonna go to people. Okay, yeah, Ben looks awesome. I'm gonna use Ben in mine. So I want to kind of make some sort of kicking animation. So basically, when Ben does it, he's gonna like kick the ball into the goal. So I want to do something like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to delete Ben C and Ben D. We don't need those. So yeah, we want to make some sort of kicking thing. So right before that, let's choose more. Choose a sprite. People. Next I want basketball. Ooh, look at Cassie. Whoa, Doran looks weird. Let's see, Jamal. No. Let's see. Ooh, Max. But no, not really what I want. Not really what I'm looking for though. Let's just do like, so we got some basketball people here. Basketball. So we should choose from one of these guys. Ooh, Andy looks awesome, kind of. Let's go back and choose another guy, actually. Not really what I want, but it's okay, so. Whoa. Oh, yes. Hannah here looks awesome. She's got a basketball thing, but she's so pixelated. You know, I have an idea on what to do. Let's take Hannah, and what we have is, let's take Hannah, convert to bitmap, and we're going to take the ball away from her. Okay, no, wait. We gotta do it in a different way. Okay, okay, yeah, there we go. Got her away. Oh! She's missing a part of her shoe. Can we hook it back on? I think I need to hook it back on. So what we're going to do, let's do it again. We're going to take Hannah. And then, now that we've got the ball away from her, let's take the ball and move it aside so we have enough space to do what I want to do with Hannah. So let's take Hannah again. Reese. Oh, whoa. That looks weird. Maybe this will help. No, okay. Okay, never mind. I actually have a better idea. Let's see, do we have a track one? We could use Hannah as a track guy. Track field. Oh, they don't, okay. Oh, I have an idea. Let's choose playing field. What we're going to do here is convert to vector. We will draw these sort of things to make it look like a track field. So let's undo that. What we're going to do, convert to vector again. So then we're going to take this. Let's use this to make it a track field. Now, yep, okay. Let's do it like this. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, again, we're going to go like this. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I'm sorry I'm making so much mistakes. Okay, let's undo all of that. And we're going to do this. So let's kind of lift this up a bit. Go back to the lines and we're going to use that. There we go, we got that. Now that we got that track piece, let's quickly finish it up by using this. Okay guys, that looks good for a race track or track. So let's kind of move this down like that. Okay, now we have to fill it. Okay, let's use this. Never mind. We're gonna do it an orange sort of color. Yeah, like that. Pale track. Just take out basketball. Okay, now let's go back to Hannah. Oh, okay. What did we do? We did something with Hannah, guys. We need to type up Hannah. And an A we need. Let's take that out. convert to vector, and we're going to flip that horizontally so it looks like she's running this way. And then we're going to take some part of her apart. Nope. Ooh. Oh wow. That doesn't look good. Okay, sorry guys. So let's take one of these. Oh, okay, duplicate, and this time we're going to flip horizontal. So now we can make it look like she's coming out that way. And so how we're going to do that is, watch me. Right before that, we need one more sprite. Well, a lot more. First, let's get the batter. I want the batter. And then we need a soccer ball and a baseball. Okay, now let's bring this in again. You can use these buttons to make your screen bigger or smaller. So here, yeah, we got all that. So first, take Ben. We're going to say when green flag clicked, show, and then we need 2 hides. So we need some messages here. New message, scene 2. Okay. And then when I receive message, actually we don't need a when I receive message scene 3 because it will hide at scene 2. Okay. So we gotta do the same for Hannah, the soccer ball, the baseball, the batter, basically all of them, except Ben because we just did Ben. Okay, so first up we got Hannah. So what we're going to do, we're going to say when green flag clicked, you want her to hide him when she receives scene 2. Wait, Hannah scene 3? Yeah, Hannah is scene 3, so new message, scene 3. Okay. One, two, three. So yeah, we got that. Then let's go back to all the code, and we are going to do it to the others too. So we want when green flag clicked, we want it to hide. And when I receive scene 2, show. But when it receives scene 3, you want it to hide. Soccer ball, just do it like this, keep it like that. And baseball, we do it like how we did the batter. When I receive scene 2, show. But when green flag clicked, hide. And when I receive scene 3, hide. So yeah, our first code to start off would be Ben. Let's just quickly try this. Yep, Ben and the soccer ball are here. Also here, when I receive green flag, and we need 2 when I receive scenes. And then we're going to go to looks, and then switch backdrops to, here we would do baseball 1, and the first one is soccer 2. So there we go. So go to Ben's code, and we want to write go to motion and take a go to block and move him around like until you get here. Okay, yep. And then take this, go to that. Oh yeah, write it before show. So when you have that, what you want to do for the soccer ball, you would want the soccer ball to go somewhere right here. So then we can make an animation of Ben kicking it. But right before that, don't forget to put switch costume to Ben A, which is this. So instead of that, we gotta do it like here. There we go. And then destroy this block and get the new one like that. Let's try it. Okay, yep, that looks good. So we want it to go to where it is right now. And then what we want it to do is we want it to glide to the goal when Ben kicks it. So we use a glide. So here, let's take a glide block and place the ball where you want it to be when Ben scores it. Then take the glide 1 second block, put it right there, and let's try it. So see, it happens. But what we're going to do, we're going to look at Ben again. And we want Ben to change costumes. So take a next costume block and a wait seconds block. For this, let's do like wait 2 seconds. And then we want the soccer ball to wait 2 seconds as well then. So when the ball scores, we should do like a thing where people will cheer. So when the ball kicks, you would need to put a sound. So let's go to Ben. That's cool. That's the goal cheer we would need. But also here, we need a kicking sound. No. Like, what would we call it? That would be like, that would be good. Let's see. Ooh, Ricochet, okay. Let's use Ricochet. So when next costume happens, let's do start sound Ricochet. Let's try it. And when it reaches the goal, you want a crowd cheer. So let's do cheer. Nice. Let's make it soft. Start some gold cheer. Nice! Okay, we got our first scene, guys. And so what we would want to do, we'd like Ben to stop it there and move on to scene 2. So we would do broadcast scene 2. Right before that, we should have some sort of words. So we'll go to backdrops. Text. Let's do the color red. So you should guys write something like, I'm going to write soccer. The sport of kicking. The sport of kicking and leg muscles, let's say. Yeah, that looks good. Soccer, the sport of kicking and leg muscles. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's make it into full red so people can actually see it. Yep. So let's add something for baseball and this. So let's do like, and finally, track, the sport of running. Baseball, the sport of arm muscles. Baseball, the sport of arm muscles. There we go. So there we go, we got that. So let's try it out. Okay, let's find out what's wrong, guys. Okay. If so, we do not want Ben to do this. We want our ball to do it then. Broadcast. Also, we're going to have to put a play sound until done. So let's try now. So now we got that. What did I do? Oh, when I receive scene 3. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's switch to this. Now go to the batter and place the batter wherever you want. I'll place it right there, or less down. And then for the baseball, I have an idea for that. Let's go to the batter. I want to use these. Oh, no, I didn't want that. So Control Z. Okay, that's okay. So you want the girl to look like she's hitting the baseball. So basically, let's do like this. But we need to get the baseball back then. Baseball. So for our baseball code, we don't want it to be that big. So what we're going to do, when I receive scene 2, show, and then go to motion. Let's do like go to that much. or this would work. Oh yeah, and right before that, put this here and then go to looks. Set size to 100%. And let's make it smaller for when it comes down. So it goes down there, and what would it do? Let's see. Got this, and then let's do glide 1 second here. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We'll check that in a second. Let's do like, our size should be like 50, so change size by -10. Let's get that block. And we'll take a control block. And then repeat. So we need another when I receive scene 2. Repeat 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, repeat 5 times. Change size -10. Let's try it. Okay, for that, let's take a weight block and add like point 2. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then what we want, this guy would, that thing, it would go back, let's say like here. And then glide there. And also, let's get another when I receive scene 2. When I receive scene 2, repeat 5 times. Change size by 10. And wait 0.2 seconds again. Let's do that. Wait 0.2. Now let's try it. Wasn't sure why that wasn't happening. We must have too much code. Oh, right! I forgot to add the code for this. Wait 1 second. Let's try it now. There we go! And now that we got that, let's quickly go back to this. And when I receive scene 2, wait 1 second. Okay, looks. Switch to batter A. And then show. Wait 1 second. And switch to batter C. Let's try it. There we go. Now let's go to the baseball code again. And what we're going to do, since we got all that, we're going to put our finishing touches by putting a broadcast scene to, let's scene 3. Okay guys, this is part 1 out of part 2. So I will see you in part 2. Bye.